Hi family, it is Leandrew and I just want to start by saying we just reached 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. Just so grateful and thankful for everyone that has been a part of this journey. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is also our 3rd episode. Run the intro. Only look at this beautiful sunrise. Good morning po! This is our kitchen. Look at our cute kitchen.
Pinapaano mo pa yung kitchen natin?
But that's gonna get renovated, diba? Sabi ni Tita Gina. Oh, YouTube! Welcome to our crib. And then this is our dining area. That's Scarlett. Aww. And that's the living room. We just left our house to go to my tito's house. We're gonna drop off some chocolate from my other tito. And for the record, Pasalubong is a must. And the true meaning of Pasalubong for me is not about what you give or how much you give. Pasalubong is just a great reminder that you think about your loved ones even if you are 1,000 miles away. We're gonna see if they're awake or not. By the way, if I'm not at Mommy Susa's house, it's either I'm out and about or always at this house, the Raimundo's house. Tulog pa. They're still sleeping. Elbow! Let's see in the back. Also, this house did not look like this before. Usually there's people in the back. Wala tulog pa. We're just gonna have to go back later. Game start! Si ate nagpapara na? Ate, bakit ka nakamas?
Because
Madumi.
yung face.
Everyone, this is Ate Hazel, a new member of our vlog squad. Okay, so, what are we gonna get?
Ramen gyoza set na lang ulo natin. And then additional non-bun.
Salamat, te. Say hi for the vlog. We are trying chicken namban. No, not every day. So cheers. How often do you come here?
After facial.
Wow! You like spicy?
Medyo. But this one is
Right there. Oh, yeah. We got the money. We got the bills. Here we go. Wala. Mananalo ka ng ₱1. ₱2. Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw. Walang iba. Ikaw. Oh, I love life in the Philippines. Believe it or not, that is me 24/7, so I am so sorry. One thing here in Philippines, the water pressure is not the best. You really need to wash your own clothes. So, tubig muna, tapos lagyan ng liquid, di ba?
Oo, babad mo muna. Maigo ka muna.
Okay, we just finished showering, and this has been soaking here for minutes now. I might just step on it, like back in the day. Para mas madali. Oh, yeah.
Huli-huli kang gana para madawin na yan.
Asan na yung dami?
Ito.
Hey, Mami Susa. Why don't you just put the downy and the thing at the same time so you don't have to do it twice?
Hindi. Balik mo na yan dyan. Okay na, dahil mo dito para ma-dry ko na.
Salamat! This hurts on the back. We're not done. And this is no joke. Where I live, where I grew up, the majority of people that lives around there either don't have a washer or a dryer. And so the common thing to do is to wash the clothes by hands. And when I was a kid, my mommy Susa or someone else would always do it for me. And I guess that is my goal, to learn my roots today. Explain what you're doing in English. In English. First put the
Like this.
Okay.
And then, ba't di ka abot?
You can't reach it. There. And then that's it. Asan yung pang-ipit?
This is literally where you pee. Back then when our old house, this is our bathroom. Like we would go like this though. Tanong lang po. Bakit?
It is now later in the afternoon, and we're going to enjoy the rest of the day by watching the sunset. And I'm really looking forward to this. Philippines has one of the most gorgeous sunsets I have ever seen. And I really want to take a picture today and have that framed up. I really want to show it to the rest of my family in the US and to whomever else for the many years to come.
They keep saying it's raining. Beautiful. Trust in me.
Salamat, ate. Ano pangalan mo ulit? Jonah?
I will know now because we're bonding right now. So Jonah.
That is Ate Jonah, a new member of our vlog squad. We made it to the Bayside! Oi! Getting a new TikTok follower! Salamat, kuya! Drinks are coming! Ooh!
Anong title na to? Silto Margarita. 6 out of 10.
Okay na, no? Perfection for 9.
Oh!
5 out of 10.
Oo, tubig lang.
Wow!
9 out of 10.
Wow!
7.
Nice! 15 more minutes, and it's gonna be the beautiful sunset, and I can't wait to take a picture of it. Should we do a time lapse? Yeah, let's do a time lapse. See? I told you. Philippines has one of the most gorgeous sunsets. Really a perfect way to end. What a beautiful day. And of course, all of this is thanks to Kuya Jomar, Ate Jonah, and to our new friends. Got to spend time with Ate Hazel, got to bond with Mami Susa, got to see and drive past to all the places my dad used to take me, and y'all got to see it. Truly, what a beautiful day to be back home. Now let's party!
So good. Ubus na, wala pa nga tayo.
Wala pa nga tayo kinakanta.
Madami yung gusto mo lang mag-portrait.
This is Ate's favorite song since he was 18 years old.
Too late to start pretending you.
Here's what's coming up on episode 4 of our solo trip to the Philippines. Oh my god, I don't belong here. Thank you, family, again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment anything that's cute. I love you all. Bye.